Hi, this is Hamza. This is my Data Science 2 assignment 1. Here we are importing fashion MNIST and we are giving them training image and train labels, as well as test image and test labels, and we're loading the data. And we are basically showing the train image shape, which is 60,000, and the shape is 28 by 28, and the train label shape is 60,000, and the image shape, test image shape, is only 10,000, and as well as the for test is also test for 10,000. So the length of the train label is test labels. We are using the len function to check their lengths. For the train label is 60,000, and for the test labels is 10,000. And here is the result of our train label, and I just decide to add the train labels to find out the 254 numbers, which is equal to 8, and train label 4,325, it's equal to 0. And here is our test labels, our test labels array, and the test labels 254, it's equal to 5, and test label 657 is equal to 4. And here is the train image of the content of the image of the 5. This is all the result of the data set, and we are plotting the image of the train image of the 5, and it's basically showing us the result of the image. And if we pull over, if we take it and see the image 5, it's actually is equal to 2, which is coming from our data set. It's equal to the pull over. And here is our test image 500, and this is all testing data sets. And if we print this one, it's basically showing us the same thing, and our test labels is pull over. It's basically the previous question and this question showing the same result. And we are importing the models and keras from the library, and we are defining the sequential model as it is, and we are reshaping the train image by 25, 28, 28, and we are reshaping the test image by like 10,000, and we are normalizing, then dividing it by 255, and to convert this to the float number. And this is all the data set of the image 5, which was previously different than this, because this is a float. And we are like putting an input layer with 7084 neurons, and we are adding a hidden layer which it has 501 neurons, and we're using ReLU activation function here. And we are adding another hidden layer which is has 128 neurons, and we're using the ReLU activations. We are adding a 10 neuron dense layer. We're using the softmax for the activation function. Here we are importing the TensorFlow for optimizer, and here we are using two settings for the compiler. One is for ADAM and the other one is RMSprop. Here we are trying to find a pattern using the fit command, and the epochs, it's basically 10. Let's say if we change this one like 300, it's going to change this epochs like 200, and it's basically all about the calculation. And And here is the question about asking the fashion MNIST and MNIST. Basically, they are doing same job for the giving us an estimate and about accuracy. But the fashion MNIST is more complex, and since there are a lot of image construct there to be figured out and give a good result, the fashion MNIST is basically less accurate. We are using the evaluation to calculate and achieve the accuracy loss over the image and labels. If we run this one here, we basically we are off overfitting, and the overfitting rate is 0.9095, and if we print the test accuracy, it's 0.87. Thank you.